Hello everybody, this is Ginger8149 from Devlin Studios, and welcome to our YouTube tutorial series on how to make your own Discord bots. In this video we'll be going over how to get everything you'll need to be able to make your own Discord bots for your friends to enjoy, and maybe yourself. To start off with, you're going to need to download Node.js. This is going to be your primary language when developing your Discord bots. To do this, all you need to do is go to nodejs.org, and you need to download the LTS version. What this means is it's going to be supported for a long amount of time. That's what LTS stands for, long-term support. So you're going to go and click on that to download it. Save it wherever you want. I'm just going to save it in my downloads folder because that's the primary way you want to download it. And you can just run the installer. The installer is very simple to use. It's like every other installer, if it popped up on my right monitor. It will automatically guide you through the process. I'm not going to do this because I already have it installed. The next thing you'll need is an IDE. You can just program this in Notepad. It is possible. However, I severely do not recommend it. The best one I've found for developing in Node.js is Visual Studio Code. Not Visual Studio, the IDE, just Visual Studio Code. It's a smaller version of it. It's a lot lighter of an install. You can go to visualstudio.microsoft.com to be able to download it, and you need to download Visual Studio Code, as the Visual Studio IDE is not necessary. Which you can just go and click Download for Windows, or whatever one you have. If you have Mac, it will have a Mac version. Linux, I am not sure if it has a Linux version yet. It might be coming soon, I don't know. You want to download that, save it, and run the installer. Once you've done that, you have downloaded everything you need. The next thing you'd want to do is set up your bot ready. To do that, go to Discord Developer Portal, which you can just go to by going to the discordapp.com. There will be a developer tab where you click on Developer Portal, and you'll be there. To create a new bot, you want to click on New Application and give it a name. I'm just going to call this Tutorial Test Bot. Set it to personal if you're working in a group. You can set it to a team so everyone can access it. I'm just going to set it to personal and click Create. Now you've got everything installed, you are now ready to create your own Discord bot.